ready for war, Joe? How you wanna blow they spot? I know these dirty cops that'll get us in if we murder some wop. Hop in your Hummer, the punish is ready. Meet me and Beatles with noodles, we do this do while he's serving spaghetti. Everybody kiss the fucking floor, till we crack fuck them all. If they move, noodle, shoot that fucking whore. Dead in the middle of little, did we know that we little to middle, didn't do diddly. It'll be a cold day and how the day I take it out. Make no mistake, for real, I wouldn't hesitate to kill. I'm still a fat one that you love to hate. Catch you at your mother's waist, smack you, then I whack you with my stuff Trier. I rub your face off the earth and curse your family, children like Amityville, and drill the nerve in your cavity, filling insanity's building a pavilion in my civilian. It can't be the anarchy that humanity's feeling. I'm villain without remorse, who's willing to out your boss forever and take all the cheddar like child support. I support Pun in anything he does, anything he loves. A brother from another mother sent for